How to show spread on MetaTrader 5. Start by making sure MetaTrader 5 is open and that you're logged into your trading account. Once you're on the main platform, look around the screen for the Market Watch window. This window is usually displayed on the left side of the platform alongside your charts. If you don't see the Market Watch window, you can quickly make it visible using a keyboard shortcut. Press and hold the Control key on your keyboard, then press the M key once. Release both keys, and the Market Watch window should appear. If it was already visible, using the same shortcut will hide or show it again, so make sure the window is displayed before moving to the next step. Once the Market Watch window is visible, you'll see a list of available trading instruments. Depending on your account, this list may include currency pairs, indices, commodities, or other available markets. You'll also notice several columns displaying information for each instrument. Now move your mouse anywhere inside the Market Watch window. Over the list of symbols. You don't need to select a specific instrument. Simply right-click anywhere inside the list. A context menu will appear with several options. Look for the option labeled Columns. Move your mouse over Columns, and another menu will open showing the different types of information that can be displayed inside the Market Watch window. Take a moment to look through the available options until you find Spread. When you see it, click on Spread once to enable it. As soon as you select it, a new spread column will appear in the Market Watch window alongside the existing columns. The spread for each instrument will now be displayed, and the values will update automatically as market prices change. If you don't immediately notice the new column, look across the Market Watch window carefully. You may need to widen the window slightly if some columns are not fully visible. Once the spread column is displayed, you'll be able to monitor the spread for every instrument listed without changing any additional setting. If you ever want to hide the spread column again, simply repeat the same process. Right-click inside the Market Watch window, move to Columns, and click Spread again to toggle it off. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.